Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to DURGASOFT online training. Sir, here we are going to see a free workshop or free seminar webinar on, okay, sir, a webinar or I can say free workshop on, sir, pattern programs in Python, part 1. Sir, totally maybe 4 to 5 parts you can expect. Okay, in every part we are going to cover some 25 to 30 programs like that. Okay, so what is mean by pattern and how you can able to write logic for that? Before moving to that, sir, there is one concept is there in every programming language called looping statements. Okay, or we can also use the word called iterative statements. So what is mean by this looping statement and what is mean by these iterative statements? Of course both are same. Sir, if we want to repeat, okay, if we want to repeat one or more statements, if you want to repeat one or more statements, okay, sir, any number of times based on some condition, then compulsory we have to go for these looping statements. Okay, then sir, how many types of looping statements are there in programming languages? So do you know there are three types of loops are there, but Python supports only two looping statements: while loop, okay, sir, do while loop is there, of course for loop is there, okay, next and after that for each loop is there. These are the looping statements supported by almost every programming language. But coming to while loop, C will provide support, C++ will provide support, Java will provide support, and even Python. Coming to do while, okay, coming to do while, C language will provide support, C++ will provide support, and Java, but not Python. But if you take for loop, sir, C language will provide support, C++ will provide support, and Java, but not Python. Sir, for each loop, sir, here Java is going to provide support and Python will provide support. So like this, different types of looping statements are there, and the corresponding language support is also I have given, just because you people are coming from various programming language backgrounds, right? So that is the reason why I have taken like this. Next and after that, sir, after completion of this, sir, what is my next concept is, of course I am not going in detail into looping statements, sir. There is one concept is called nested or inner loop. Okay, nested or inner loop. Anyone tell me what is the meaning of nested loop or inner loop in a single word? If you want to take, if you want to define, how you can able to define? Anyone? Very good. So loop, Muhammad, correct. Sorry, Jishan, correct. So loop inside another loop is always called as inner loop or nested loop. Okay, loop, sir, within another loop. To prepare these patterns, compulsory we have to go for this concept only. Okay, to prepare these looping statements compulsory, I mean to prepare these patterns compulsory we have to go for this nested loop. I will explain two example programs. What is the first example program is, sir, assume I am going to save the file in D drive. I am going to save the file in D drive and the file name is nothing but a test.py. Sir, for I, okay, for I in the range of 10, I want to print the message called hello, followed by I want to print that number also. Let us see if I execute this code, what will happen? Let us see here. D drive, I saved my files, py space test.py I am taking. Sir, you can see how many times the loop got executed. 10 times the loop got executed, sir. How many times the loop got executed? 10 times the loop got executed. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. Sir, but numbers are starting from 0. I want from 1. No problem. You can start from range is equal to 1. If you take 1, compulsory this parameter should be always plus 1. Now you will get the values from 1 to 10. So this phenomena everyone will know. Okay, sir, how to generate these looping statements, all this. Okay, we come across with this. Second example, sir, I want to print some message. Okay, I want to print some message called welcome to Python. Python pattern programs. Now, sir, for I in the range of 1 to 6, that means how many times it will execute? First time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, because it will stop at 6 minus 1. That is nothing but 5. Let me execute the code. Py space test.py I am giving. Have you observed how many times the message got displayed? 5 times. So this is the way how you can able to write a general looping statement. Now, sir, observe carefully. Example number 3. So what I am taking here is, sir, inside this, okay, inside this, again, I want to take one more loop for j in the range of same 1 to 6, 1 to 6. But, sir, how many times it has to execute? First time, second time, third time, fourth time, and fifth time. So it is going to print some message. Sir, if you observe logically, for the first value of I, j will repeat 5 times. For the second value of I, j will repeat 5 times. For the third value of I, j will repeat 5 times. For the fourth value of I, j will repeat 5 times. For the fifth value of I, j will repeat 5 times. Like this we are going to get. Now observe carefully. How many times the message got displayed, sir? 5 into 5. Sir, 25 times the message got displayed for us. Right? 25 times. Sir, I want to get with the help of numbers. I want to get with the help of numbers. Sir, assume in this place, I want to print a message like this. So, hello, hello, I is equal to, okay, hello, sir, my I is equal to, okay, I am going to print the value of I, and j is equal to, I want to print the value of j. Sir, of course, you know it is a formatted string. Now I am running the program. You can see here, when I is equal to 1, sir, how many times j got executed? 5 times. When I is equal to 2, how many times j got executed? 5. When I is equal to 3, how many times j got executed? 5. When I is equal to 4, how many times j got executed? 5. When I is equal to 5, how many times j got executed? 5. Like this, it is going to execute. Okay. Sir, hope you got the clarity how it is going to work. Now, from this, slowly you can go for patterns. Okay, just one simple example I will explain, then we will go in detail. Sir, now I want to print a star, sir. Okay, I want to print a star. How many times the star is going to print it? 5 times. For every row, 5 times for every column. So 25 stars will be there. Sir, I want to see row by row. So after printing star, what it is doing? It is transferring the control to next line. So I don't want to transfer the control to next line. Let it be in the same line. Like this I am taking. Now see, sir, all the 25 stars are displayed in a single line. So after printing every column, sir, I want to display empty print. So that what will happen? You can see like this. Sir, I want a space between these. I want space between this. Yes, you can take one space here. Sir, I don't want 5 stars or I don't want 6 stars. I want 10 stars. So what we have to take here? 11 you need to take. Now observe carefully. Sir, this is nothing but the first pattern what we are going to see. Okay, first pattern what we are going to see. But I want to demonstrate this with the help of a small example diagram. So here if you observe carefully, sir, you can able to see first, okay, a box I'm going to create like this. Okay, sir, please, I request everyone to please switch off your video mode. This is nothing but row 1. Okay, this is nothing but row 1 and row 2. Okay, sir, row 3. Okay, sir, row 4 and row 5. Like this I have. Sir, this is a column number 1. This is a column number 2. This is nothing but a column number 3. And this is nothing but a column number 4. Like this I have taken. Like this I have taken. Sir, I want to display stars. So here we are going to get 1 star. So here we are going to get another star. Sir, here we are going to get another star. Here we will get another star. Okay. Here I am going to get one more star. Like this, we are going to get stars in every box. Okay, I am not writing in detail, just I am skipping. So now, what is the value of these row values here? What is the value of these rows? Sir, this is the first row. This is, sorry, see, this is the first column. This is the second column. Sir, this is the third column. Okay. Sir, this is nothing but fourth column. This is nothing but fifth column. Similarly, sir, here also first column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column. So whenever these two are satisfied, sir, it is printing 1 star. Okay. Of course, we are going to write different types of logics, not only for stars. You can print anything in that place. But of course, this is the nothing but the structure what we have and how we displayed in this example. Sir, I hope the basic idea of a pattern, how to create the first pattern is also very clear for you people. I think so. Please confirm this first pattern number 1. Okay, this first pattern. Is it clear for you people? Please confirm. Pattern number 1. First pattern, how to draw and what is the output. Is it clear for you people? Please confirm, friends. Fine. Now I need to go for second pattern. Sir, first pattern itself is difficult, but constructing second pattern, yeah. So constructing second pattern, third pattern, everything will become very easy, sir. Okay. Now see, what is my second pattern is, sir, I want to display 1 followed by 1. Okay, sir, followed by 1 like this, 5 ones followed by 5 twos, followed by 5, sorry, followed by 5 threes, sir, followed by 5 fours, followed by 5 fives. Like this I want to display. So how you can able to draw this? Sir, first of all, I will replace how many stars they are expecting. How many how many rows they are expecting? 5 rows. Sir, let me take 1 comma 6 because it will display up to 5. 1 comma 6 I am taking. Sir, let me run the code first of all. I think so it should display, sir, 5 stars in each and every row. Okay, 5 stars in each and every row. But in that place they are expecting, okay, in that place they are expecting which values, sir? Have you observed? 1, 2, 3, 4, so something like this. From this diagram, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. If I want to print, then what we have to take, sir? We need to take 1 minute, sir. Please wait. So like this I am printing. Okay, like this I am printing, sir, first row. Okay, first row. Next and after that, second row means 2, 2, 2, like this. Third row means 3, 3, 3. That means if you print these values, it will be sufficient. Sir, what is this variable, sir? I, right? So if you print I in the previous program, sir, it will print a corresponding value. Let me take I. Now let us see what will happen. So py space test.py, you can able to see corresponding output we got or not. Yes, this is nothing but what we have. So clear up to this? Any doubts? Please confirm. Is it clear? Yeah. We will get so many examples in this pattern. You will get it. Please don't worry. Sir, let me go for third pattern. See here in this pattern, they are expecting, sir, row values. First row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. First row means we have to get only the values of I. So I value, when I is equal to 1, J value is going to change. When I is equal to 2, these many times. When I is equal to 3, these many times. When I is equal to 4, these many times. That's why I am concentrating on rows. Sir, if you concentrate on columns, what will happen? If you concentrate on columns, the pattern what we are going to get is nothing but, sir, first column, second column, third column, fourth column, and fifth column. Sir, like this, how many rows we are going to get? 5 rows. Sir, just in the place of I, if you replace J values will be in the first row. J values are going to change, right? You can able to see here from the diagram. Sir, what is the value of this location? 1 comma 1. This is nothing but 1 comma 2. This is nothing but 1 comma 3. This is nothing but 1 comma 4. This is nothing but 1 comma 5. Sir, I comma J format. Sir, if you want only ones, we have to take I. If you want 1 2 3 4 5 like this, J values. Okay. Now, sir, I updated to J value. Just I updated to J value. Now let me execute this code whether we are getting 1 2 3s or not. Yes. Sir, if you want, you can increase number of rows and number of columns. Just for understanding purpose, I am telling. That's why just I limited with sir 5 rows and 5 columns. Okay. Sir, this is nothing but what is the third pattern that we have. Any doubts? Please confirm. Any doubts? Please confirm. Okay. Okay. Now, sir, I want to go for next pattern. Okay, I want to go for next pattern. Sir, what is the pattern number 4? Is nothing but observe carefully. Sir, what is the fourth pattern? Okay, what is the fourth pattern that we have? Okay, sir, one program I already explained manually. Okay, because all are similar patterns only, right? Just we have to change the values of I and J. Beyond that, nothing is there. Vishnu Gupta. So the basic format is the same. Only in the place of stars, we are going to change the content. How we are going to get that content? You need to capture that. From that only, we have to do small changes. Clear? So everything again taking diagram means it takes some time. Vishnu, I hope you understood. Now, sir, what is the fourth pattern is, sir, I want to print. Okay. Compulsory Python knowledge must be required if you want to attend these sessions. Print means which will print the information on the screen. Okay. Sir, now I want to print like this 0 0 0 0, then 2 2 2 2, then 4 4 4 4 4 like this. Sir, 6 6 6 like this, and then 8 8 8 like this. Sir, have you observed? Row numbers are, what are the row numbers that we have taken previously? It is nothing but sir, 1 2 3 4 5. but they are expecting, sir, 0, okay, 2, 4, 6, 8. I hope you have range function. Sir, start from 0. Okay, start from 0. Sir, take up to 8 plus 1. How much difference we have to take? 2. That's all. Beyond that, nothing. Sir, now observe carefully. Sir, start from 0. Take up to 8 plus 1. Sir, step is nothing but 2 values. That's all. Which value we have to print, sir? I value, because we are talking about the rows. That's why we have to print. Sir, is this our required pattern or not? Yes. This is nothing but how you can able to generate fourth pattern. Sir, pattern number 5. Okay, pattern number 5. Sir, in these places, okay, in these places, 0, 2, something like that you have taken, right? But in these places, I want odd numbers. Okay, I want odd numbers. That means, sir, 1, 1, 1, 1 like this, and then followed by 3, 3, 3, 3 like this. Sir, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, sir, 7, 7, 7, 7, and then 9, 9, 9, 9 like this. I want to get. Sir, how to do this? Okay, how to do this? Yes, sir, instead of 8 plus 1, we have to take a 9. Okay, yeah, you instead of 8 plus 1, we can take 9, Rakesh. Just I am explaining how it will be. Okay, sir, observe carefully, same range function, right? But we have to start from 1, and you need to take up to 9. That means 9 should be included. If you want to include 9, what we have to take? Sir, 10 you have to take here. And the difference is as usual 2. That means what? First number is 1. 1 plus 2. Sir, we will get 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Like this we are going to get. Sir, if you want, you can able to see. Okay, sir, just 1 I am going to take, and in this 10 I am taking. Sir, beyond that, nothing is there. Now, is it going to print odd rows or not? Yes. This is nothing but how you can able to take pattern number 5. Sir, please confirm any doubts about printing of even rows and odd columns. Sorry, even rows and even columns. Please confirm. Clear, right? Yeah, please concentrate on Python, sir. Java we will see later. Okay. Yes. Sir, next and after that, what is the next pattern that we have here is pattern number 6. Sir, completely, okay, I am moving to columns. I am moving to columns. Sir, same scenario only. I need to get, sir, 1 followed by, okay, 1, sorry, first let me take print even value. Sir, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, like this I have to take. Sir, let us see how it will be. For I is equal to range of, from which value to which value we have to take. Sir, have you observed? Sir, they are expecting, okay, they are expecting the column values as, okay, sir, they are expecting column values as, what is the first column they are expecting? So we have to print 0, then 2, sir, then 4, then 6, then 8. Sir, same range concept. Sir, 0 comma, okay, up to which value? 9 comma 2 we have to take. So where? Not for I, sir, because we have to take for j, but I will be executed from 1 to 6 as usual. Sir, j will start from 0 and it ends with 9, and then we have to take separator as a 2, and then you need to print the value of j. Now you can able to see it will print j values on the screen. Sir, is it even numbers or not? Even values or not? Yes. This is nothing but what we have. Sir, pattern number 7. Okay, of course, same pattern. In the place of columns, I want to print odd values. Sir, 1357. Okay, 13579, 13579. Like this 5 times I want. So how to do that? Same scenario. You have to replace beginning value to 1 and ending value to 10. Then difference is as usual. Now you can able to see 13579, 13579, 13579, like this we are getting. Okay, sir, this is nothing but what we have about these patterns. Okay, yeah, something like 2D array. Okay, any doubts about these two, sir? Please confirm. Column wise printing values, do you have any doubts? Yes, in the real time you can explain. If any question is asking regarding these inner loops or something like patterns or how the multidimensional arrays are framed, yes, you can take this. Yeah, yeah. Salman, we are going to see that pattern also, please wait. Yeah, same concept, you have to use it in Java, but right, Java terminologies are going to be changed. Yeah, I is equal to I plus 2 also we can take, no problem. Jishan. Okay, sir, shall we go for next pattern? Please confirm. Yes. So what is the next pattern that we have here is, sir, pattern number 8. Pattern number 8. Sir, what is this pattern? Okay, what is this pattern? Observe carefully. In this pattern, I want to print the numbers like this. Sir, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Sir, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this, I want to print the numbers. Okay. I want to print the numbers. Sir, how you can able to do that? Okay. How you can able to do that? Sir, just why I have taken only up to single digit number means at the time of display, okay, if you want, you can take 2-digit numbers also, but it won't be that much good, sir. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, sir, 9 up to this. Okay, 10, 11, 12. So somewhat confusion will be there. Okay, confusion in the sense display wise I am taking. So in such scenarios, you have to provide two spaces. So everything is on our hand only. Okay, just we have to give one extra space. Okay, we have to provide one extra space. Sometimes complexity will be there, sir. Okay, just you need to try to manage that. So example, sir, how you can able to do this? Sir, very simple. Starting value we got, ending value we got. Every time we have to increment one unit. Sir, I want to print the value of x. Okay, sir, initial value of x. Okay, better I will write the first fundamental concept, sir. Sir, I don't want to take four columns I want to take. That's why 1 comma 2 I am 1 comma 5 I am taking. So in the place of x, I want to print star. Now observe, is it going to print 4 rows and 4 columns or not? Yes, sir. In this place, I want to print numbers now. Sir, I want to take one special variable called x is equal to start from 1, and in the place of this one, sir, you have to take x value, and x is equal to x plus 1 every time. Okay, x is equal to x plus 1 every time. That's all. Now observe what will happen. Have you observed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Sir, in such cases, if you want to see the clear output, 2 spaces you have to provide. Then you will get proper output. Of course, if it is a single digit, 1 space will be sufficient. See, that's why just I am going to reduce only 3 rows and 3 columns. It will be fine to see. Okay. Okay. Sir, in C and Java, we can write perfectly, but even in Python also, sir, if you are taking 6 rows, 6 columns, sir, somewhat difficulty you are seeing, right? So this thing can be overcome. How you can able to overcome? In the sense, in Python, we have C language format is also there. Sir, you can take sir, percentage D. In the place of percentage D, I want to take the value called X. Okay, I want to take x. Let me see what answer we are going to get. Sir, like this we are getting. So let me take comma end is equal to empty. Have you observed? Sir, now I want to provide one space. Then you can take percentage 1D. Oh, it is not working here. So maybe you can, yeah, it is working here. Have you observed? Percentage 3D means what? Sir, for printing the data, I required 3 spaces. So that means what? A single number will be printed in 3 places. Okay, so that what will happen? Sir, 1 will be printed here. Suppose if you are getting 10, that 10 will be printed in these 2 digits, so that we are getting some space after printing 1. Sir, 2 will be printed here. So 2 more spaces you can able to see on the screen. So this is nothing but how you can work with, sir, pattern programs. Okay, I mean how you can able to print these kind of patterns. Okay, sir, any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Yeah, it is something like matrix method only. Saujanya, correct. Any doubts on this pattern, sir? Please confirm. Sir, pattern number 9. What is a 9th pattern? Sir, here I want to print the same sequence only, but I need to print even number of values. That means 0 followed by 2. Okay, sir, followed by 4, followed by 6, 8, 10. Okay, and then I want to print 12, and then 14, and then 16. Like this, I want even values. Sir, what we have to take? X is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, x is equal to x plus 2. Sir, beyond that, nothing is required. Have you observed? Sir, we got 0. Okay, sir, 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, sir, 10, 12. Like this, only it is printing even values. Only it is printing even values. This is nothing but how you can able to take. Sir, now the next pattern is I want to print odd numbers. I want to print odd numbers. How you can able to take? Sir, starting value will be 1. Remaining things are same, right? Remaining things are same. Now you can able to see all the odd numbers we got in the list. Okay, all the odd numbers we got in the list. Like this, sir, a small things will be there, sir, for understanding. Okay, sir, please confirm. Do you have any doubts up to this? Please confirm, friends. Any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Clear? Shubham, it is not daily classes. Okay, this is not a daily classes. Only on weekends, some weeks I am going to plan for these workshops. Okay, that will be intimated in our YouTube, and then it will be intimated in our Telegram also. So based on that, you have to get the information. Okay. Yeah. Sir, now I want to take a special pattern now. Okay. Sir, 11th pattern. 11th pattern. So how you can able to get this 11th? Sorry, in examination, sometimes they will ask, sir. Sometimes may not be. Okay, but in our regular Python syllabus, if you see our Python syllabus, okay, yeah, you can see here, this is one batch Python syllabus is there. You can able to see. So introduction to programming, so on, so topics, everything is there. But there one topic I included, so you have seen or not, especially my Python students knows that. Have you observed at the end, sir, we have 100 pattern programs. Okay, 100 pattern programs we are going to cover. That is nothing but this one. Okay, beyond that nothing is there. So if you write algorithms like this, your logical thinking is going to be improved. Okay, that is the benefit I can able to tell for you people. Clear, Jishan? Yes. So let me go for 11th pattern. Sir, in this 11th pattern, I want to print alphabets. I want to print alphabets. Sir, if you want to print alphabets, make sure that you must know, sir, what is the ASCII value of A? Sir, 97. What is the ASCII value of capital A? 65. Sir, how to convert from, okay, sir, given character to ASCII value, given character to ASCII value. Sir, there is one function is there called ORD. ORD. Within bracket, you have to pass the character. Similarly, sir, if you want to get, I have ASCII value is there, corresponding character I want to get. Sir, for that we have a special function is there called CHR. We have to pass integer value. So that logic I am going to implement here. So my requirement is I need to print sir A in the first row, in the second row B, in the third row C, like this I want to print. Sir, observe my logic clearly. Sir, in the first row, okay, in the first row they are expecting, okay, in the first row they are expecting A. Second row B, 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 something like that, C, 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 something, D, 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 E, E, like this. Sir, A, what is its ASCII value? 97. Okay. Sir, B, its value is 98. Sir, C, its value is 99. Sir, D, its value is 100. Next, we are going to get 101. Sir, I can use this formula or not? 96 plus I, sir, I am going to apply, sir, CHR function. Sir, 96 is the default value. When I is equal to 1, 96 plus 1 will become 97. Sir, 97 corresponding character is nothing but small a. Right? So like this we can able to get. So I hope you got the logic. Now let me implement. Okay, let me implement. Sir, I am taking for I in the range of 0 to same, let it be. Sir, but here I am taking in the place of x, sir, I want to print 96 plus I value. But make sure that this entire thing should be within bracket and you have to use a CHR function. So that what will happen? Automatically, it will be converted to that particular character. Okay. Sir, now you can able to see here. Sir, A, like this we have. Sir, B, like this we have. Sir, C, like this we have. Sir, D, E, like this we have. Okay, this is nothing but how you can able to print this particular pattern on your screen. Sir, it is okay. If I want to print, okay, if I want to print capital letter alphabets, okay, capital letter alphabets. Sir, how to do that? I want to print capital letter alphabets. Sir, same. In the place of 96, just now I told 65 is the ASCII value. Better to take 64. Okay, 64 plus 1. From that it is going to start. You can able to see we are getting capital letter alphabets or not. Yes. Sir, this is nothing but, sir, 12th pattern what we have. Sir, up to this, okay, I want to take column wise. How you can able to take? Sir, if you want to take in column wise, what we have to take? So in the place of I, okay, in the place of this particular I, you have to take J. That's all. Beyond that, nothing is there. Have you observed? First row A, second row B, but here first column A, second column B, third column C, like this we are getting. Okay, this is nothing but what is a 13th pattern what we have. Okay, next, sir, pattern number 14. Pattern number 14. Sir, what is this 14th pattern that we have? Sir, same like this. I want to print capital letters. What we have to take? 64. Have you observed? Like this we are going to get. Excellent. Up to this we don't have any doubts, but all the alphabets I want, sir. Okay, all the alphabets I want. So how you can able to print that? Already for number theory we have seen, sir, x is equal to something like 96 I have taken. No, 97 itself you can start, and in the place of 64 plus j I am printing x. Okay, Sir, just we have to take x is equal to x plus 1 for the next row. Have you observed? Sir, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Okay, like this we are getting. So this is nothing but how you can able to print lowercase alphabets. Sir, I want to print uppercase alphabets. How you can able to do that? So if you want to print in uppercase alphabet, what modification you have to provide, sir? Anyone, could you please confirm? In this program, what modification we have to do so that I need to get lowercase alphabets? Yes, very good. 65 we have to take because ASCII values are going to start from 65. Have you observed? We got all the values. Sir, this is nothing but how you can able to print alphabets, numbers, okay, and then stars. Okay, sir, do you have any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Sir, do you have any doubts up to this? Please confirm. I request every student to please respond, sir. Are you learning something or not? Please confirm. Shubham, Shubham, very good. Thank you, Shubham. Shubham is giving one small what you can call have a look once. This is a Shubham Gupta message. Thank you. Thank you, Shubham. And can we print in int type pattern? I'm not getting you. Int type pattern in the sense integer values. Oh, Salman, please confirm. Yeah, already we printed. Right? So 1, 2, 3 we printed, row wise, column wise, even values, odd values, everything we printed, numbers. Okay. Yes. You can take float values also, no problem. Yeah, no Shubham. If there, then we will look into that. Okay. Yes. Sir, I'm going to shift to some other genre. Okay, I'm going to shift to some other genre. Observe carefully. Sir, what is that genre here is, sir, pattern number 70. Observe carefully, guys. Okay. Observe carefully how I am going to implement from now onwards. Okay. Sir, I want to take like this. Okay, I want to print. So the first pattern you have written, right? 1 minute. Where is that pattern? First program I am taking. Sir, from this first program only, sir, we have derived these many programs, right? All these things will comes under one patterns, one style. Sir, now I am going for some other style. Okay. What is that style is, observe carefully. I will reduce the number of instructions, sir. I will go up to, sir, max 9. Okay, max 9 I will take. That means it will print up to 8. Okay, sir, now observe carefully. Observe carefully. Sir, I want to take. Okay, I want to take. So this is nothing but the style. Actually, sir, if you observe like this, I have four boxes are there. So how I can able to take? Yes, sir. In previous case, we printed stars. We printed stars in all boxes, sir. But now, sir, I want first star in this box. Second box, sir, in the second row, 2 boxes. In the third row, 3 boxes. In the fourth row, 4 boxes. If you want, you can see the diagram should be like this. Sir, 1 star, 2 stars, okay, 3 stars, okay, 4 stars. Like this, I need to print. Okay, observe carefully. Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is a first row, how many stars we have printed? Only 1 star. If it is 2 rows, how many stars we have printed? 2 stars. If it is 3 rows, 3 stars we got. Sir, if it is a fourth row, 4 stars we got. Like this, sir, it is a completely depends on the number of stars. So what we are having, that means what the printing of these stars is always J, right? The value of J, sir, it is depending on I, right? When I is equal to 1, only 1 star. When I is equal to 2, sir, 2 stars. When I is equal to 3, sir, 3 stars. Like this we are getting. Okay, sir, now I want to implement a program for this. Let us see what I am going to take. Sir, in the place of J in the range of 1 to 9, sir, please take J in the range of I. That's all. It is sufficient. You can able to see, sir, we got this particular style or not? Yes. This is nothing but what is my next pattern, what I am going to explain. Sir, I think it is very clear for you people how this style got implemented. Any doubts, friends? Please confirm. Is it clear? Yeah. Sir, rest of the things are as usual. Okay, rest of the things you can expect. Sir, pattern number 18 I am taking. Sir, what is this 18th pattern that we have here is in the place of this star. Okay, in the place of this star, sir, I want to take, okay, I want to take I. Sir, when you take I value, what answer we are going to get? Have you observed? We are getting row wise values. Okay, we are getting row wise values like this. Okay, row wise values like this. Sir, pattern number 19 I am taking. Okay, pattern number 19 I am taking. Sir, same thing. If in the place of I, if you take J, what will happen? Sir, we are going to get column values like this. Sir, I don't want from 0. I want to start from 1. What we have to take? Sir, start from 1, but include I plus 1, so that it will take from 1 to each. Okay, this is nothing but how you can able to print. Sir, everything is okay, but my requirement is, sir, I want to print. Okay, I want to print continuation numbers. Okay, I want to print continuation numbers. How you can able to do that? Sir, pattern number 20 I am taking. Okay, sir, observe carefully. We need to take one special variable called x. Let us consider x value is 0, and we know we have to use a C language printf. Okay, sir, I am taking percentage 3D. So in the place of percentage, I need to print the value of sir, x, comma, end is equal to empty. Now see what will happen. So all zeros we got because x value is not yet incremented. Have you observed? Sir, I want 3-digit spaces. I want 4-digit spaces. Yes, like this we are getting. Okay, this is nothing but how you can able to print, sir, another pattern what we have. In this, I want to only even numbers. Okay, in this, I want to only even numbers. Sir, how to generate only even numbers? The logic is the same. X is equal to x plus 2. Now, you can able to see we got only even number of values. Okay, we got only even number of values. Sir, pattern number 22 I am taking. Sir, what is this 22nd pattern is nothing but I want to print only odd numbers. Yes. So except a small change we have to do so that it is going to print all the odd number of values. Okay. Sir, hope it is very clear for you people, sir, how to generate even number of values, odd number of values like this. Any doubts friends up to this? Please confirm. Yes. So what is the next pattern that I have? Okay. Yeah. You can apply for Java, same logic. Sir, pattern number 23. Boss, I want to print alphabets. So we know if you want to print alphabets, sir, what we have to take? What we have to take? Sir, I in the range of maximum 4 rows, something like that we have taken 1, 5, and we need to print ORD, ordinal value of, sorry, not ordinal, sir, character value of 96 plus, sir, I value we can take. Now let us execute. What will happen? Sir, A, B, B, C, C, D, 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 like this we are getting. So let me take up to 8. Yes, this is nothing but the pattern what we have. Okay, for alphabets, sir. Now I want row wise. So how you can able to take, if you want to take row wise, sir, only modification is nothing but I need to take sir, plus j value. Beyond that nothing is there. Have you observed? Sir, A, B, 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 C, 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 like this we are going to get. Sir, same kind of pattern only even for alphabets, right? Sir, pattern number 25 I am taking. Sir, I am taking for uppercase alphabets. Okay, let us see how you can able to do it for uppercase alphabets. What modification we have to do? In the place of 96, sir, what we have to take? Yeah, Jishan. So you should, I know you are my old student, right? Then you also have to run along with me with the same speed, right? Yes, we have to take 65. Now see what will, sorry, not 65, 64. Okay, sir, we have to get it from ABB like this. Okay, now sir, if I want to print in the reverse direction, what we have to take? Sir, very simple. We need to go for the value of I here, so that what will happen? It will print according to the row wise. Okay. Any doubts, friends, up to this? Please confirm. Any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Clear, right? Yes. Sir, today's class last program I want to take 27th program. Sir, what is this 27th program is? Observe carefully, sir. I want to print. Okay, I want to print. Sir, I need to take an username from the user. So input, enter any name. Okay, enter any name or enter your good name. It is asking enter your, sir, good name. Like this it is asking. Sir, I'm going to print that name on the screen. I'm going to print that name on the screen. You know very well, if I'm giving my name, it will print like this. Sir, I need to print for I in the range of, okay, for I in the range of length of yes. I want to print this name. Now observe carefully. If my input is A, 1 minute, sir, not yes, sir. We have to take length of name. Sorry. Sir, if I am giving A, it is printing A. If I am giving AB 2 times, if I am giving Prakash, sir, like this I am getting. Boss, if I am giving the name as a Prakash, in the first line P, in the second line PR, in the third line PRA, like this I want. Sir, something like it is related to the previous programs or not? Yes, in this style only, right? Sorry, not in this style. In this style, P, sir, PR, something like this. In this style, I want. But what is the range value here? We can't fix the number of characters. That's why length of name. Sir, what value we have to print here? Was you need to print name of I, the value at ith location. Now observe what will happen. Sir, I am giving the name as a Prakash. Have you observed? Sir, P gone because we started from 0, but actually we have to start from, we started from 1. We have to start from 0 because in Python, Java, and in C language and even C++ also, strings are going to be started with index value 0. That is the secret what we have. Sir, I am giving Prakash. Oh, I didn't save the one minute. What happened? For I in the range of length of name, for J in the range, sir, name of I. Correct only, right? So one character it is missing. Let me take this one is correct. So let me take let me print name of 0. 0 not at all printing. 0 not at all printing. Yeah, correct. Length is 1 means 1 minus 1 it will stop. You have to take minus 1. No, correct only, right? Okay, we will check range of I plus 1. Yeah, range of I plus 1, correct. So generally if length is 2 characters, so 0 and 1 will be there, but here we are depending on J, right? We are depending on I, right? That's maybe the reason. Now observe carefully. Sir, I am giving input as a Prakash. Sir, have you observed P followed by 2 characters followed by, sir, something like this P. Okay, P like this we are going to get. Sir, if you want to interchange, okay, I want to interchange row value to column, column value to row means you are going to get in the different style. Okay, you are going to get in the different style. That part also I will write here, sir. So that is nothing but pattern number 28. Okay, sir, what is that pattern? In the place of I, we have to take J, it seems. Now observe what will happen. Sir, I am giving Prakash. Sir, is it coming in the correct fashion or not? Yes. Sir, welcome to, okay, sir, free workshop. Welcome to free workshop. Like this I have taken. Have a look once. Have you observed how beautifully it came? So like this, if I want to print, then you need to go for these approaches. Okay. Sir, any doubts, guys, up to this, whatever patterns I covered? Do you have any doubts? Please confirm. Okay. Yeah, in any style you can print. See, in any style you can print. Okay. Yeah, please, Sufyan, go ahead.
Yes, and good evening, sir.
Yeah, very good evening.
Yeah, actually, I want to know in Python, like in Java, there is a different kinds of framework like Hibernate, Spring Boots are there. So if I will learn Python, so Python, everything like other things are there, or
Yeah,
Python.
yeah, frameworks are there. Web related frameworks are there. Data science related frameworks are there. Yes, we have frameworks are there, like
So,
Flask, okay, and then Django framework is there. Like that, frameworks are there, sir.
so again, we have to learn everything like
Yeah,
Spring Boot.
definitely, definitely. See, Java related platform means you need to go for Spring like that.
Okay.
Python related background means better to go for Django, Flask like that.
Okay. First of all, we need Python programming, then we can go.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Okay, sir. This is my.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, Rakesh, based on number of characters, you can limit, no problem at all. Okay. Yeah. Sir, hope you enjoyed the session. Okay. You enjoyed the session. Thank you. So I'm going to upload this video in our YouTube channel. You can refer whenever you have a time. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Sir, we will meet again the second part of these Python pattern programs. So if you want to get update, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and even you can join in the Telegram group, sir. Okay. So that you are going to get the information up to date. Okay.
Sir, how to get the notes?
Notes I will share, sir. If provides, I will share this particular drive link. Okay.
Okay, sir. So can you share in our WhatsApp group?
Yeah, definitely. You are from which batch, Jishan?
Sir, LBP.
Okay. For LBP batch, I will share. No worries. Yeah, sir. Thank you. We will meet for continuation. Thank you.